Well, we all have times in our lives where we feel broken. And I was in a period like that.
Hey guys, what's happening and welcome back to our channel. Angelina Jolie wanted full custody of her children when she separated from Pitt in September 2016, officially ending their 12-year romance and 2 years of marriage. However, it appears that the actor's luck has run out since Brad Pitt's petition for custody case with Angelina Jolie was denied. Number 4. The California Supreme Court has denied Brad Pitt's appeal. The California Supreme Court has denied Brad Pitt's appeal in his contentious custody dispute with ex-wife Angelina Jolie, affirming a lower court verdict that would almost certainly compel them to re-argue custody of their children. The High Court published its ruling on Wednesday with no reason other than petition for review and application for stay denied. Jolie arrived in London on Wednesday with 5 of her kids to attend the UK premiere of her latest film Eternals, which will be released in theaters on November 5th. Number 3. Jolie was pleased with the judgment. Robert Olson, Jolie's appellate lawyer, said that his client was pleased with the ruling. Miss Jolie is focused on her family and pleased that her children's well-being will not be guided by unethical behavior, the statement said. As reinforced by California's appellate court, our judiciary prioritizes ethics and children's best interests and won't tolerate judicial misconduct to reward the interests of a party. Miss Jolie is glad for the family to now move forward cooperatively. A representative for Pitt also released a statement stating that the California Supreme Court's decision not to hear a technical procedure issue on Wednesday doesn't change the extraordinary amount of factual evidence which led the trial judge and the many experts who testified to reach their clear conclusion about what's in the children's best interests. We will continue to do everything that's legally necessary based on the detailed findings of the independent experts. The appeal court's judgment, which currently stands, means that Pitt and Jolie's custody battle over their 5 young children, which was reaching a finish, would have to start with a new judge. The ruling means that the Supreme Court will not review a July decision by a state appellate court that gave Jolie a significant victory by dismissing the personal judge the couple recruited to manage their divorce, as well as their even more controversial custody battle over their 6 children, 5 of whom are still minors. By dismissing Pitt's appeal, the Supreme Court appeared to indicate that the grounds highlighted by Pitt's legal team are unimportant beyond a long-running battle between 2 A-list movie stars about whether they would share custody of their children equitably. Number 2, can this choice destroy the state's private judicial system? Pitt's legal team has stated that the choice not to listen to the actor's appeal could potentially tear down the state's system of private judges in California, impacting tens of thousands of legal cases in the state, such as non-celebrity divorcing couples as well as their children, and preventing the state's overburdened judicial system from continuing to function. In civil proceedings, such as divorces or custody battles, where the parties choose to proceed beyond closed-door meetings, the California legal system relies on private judges who are hired by the litigants to read briefs, hold trials, and make findings under the supervision of the courts. The private judicial system, which has been entrenched in California's constitution for decades, intends to provide faster resolution and more confidentiality in legal cases regarding people willing to pay, deciding to leave the official state judges and judiciary system more accessible for criminal cases and citizens with scarce assets. Following a virtually private hearing on July 9th, the Los Angeles 2nd District Court of Appeal agreed with Jolie that perhaps the couple's private judge, John Oderkirk, failed to disclose additional business contacts with Pitt's lawyers in a timely way, creating possible doubts about his impartiality. Number 1, the same judge to hear the case again. Pitt's attorneys stated in their brief that Oderkirk's inability to reveal 2 connections to Pitt's divorce counsel, Lance Spiegel, was a minor and inadvertent administrative error unconnected to the issues of the custody battle. The appeals court was not convinced. Judge Oderkirk's ethical breach, considered together with the information disclosed concerning his recent professional relationship with Pitt's counsel, might cause an objective person aware of all the facts reasonably to entertain a doubt as to the judge's ability to be impartial. Disqualification is required, the court said. Oderkirk pronounced the pair divorced in April 2019, but handled parenting issues separately and in secrecy. The hostility that has characterized this divorce since its inception erupted again in the spring of 2021 after Pitt was provisionally given shared custody and Jolie's team chastised Oderkirk for not letting the children's couple participate in the custody hearings. This came after she filed a petition to have the judge removed from the case due to the disclosure difficulties. If you're going to play the role of a paid private judge, you have to play by the rules, and the rules are very clear. They require full transparency, Jolie's appellate counsel Olson stated before the appeals court. Matters that should have been disclosed were not disclosed. If rules have no consequences, they're empty. But do let me hear from you guys on who you think is in the right in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now.